The World Environmental Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. The main objective is to celebrating this day is to spread awareness about environment. Environment is very important in our life. Green plants and trees are integral part of our life. We share this planet with millions of living beings starting from microorganisms and bacteria. Lichens to banyan trees, blue whales and elephants. The habitat that we live in has immense biodiversity. We humans, along with all living organisms, form a complex web of ecological system in which we are only a part and very much dependent on this system for our own existence. For example, the plants and animals and microorganisms recreate the quality of air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil that produce our food, without which we cannot survive. Forests play a key role in the ecological system as these are also the primary producers on which all other living beings depend. The domestic, municipal, agricultural and industrial demand for water from the rivers has naturally affected the quality of water. As a result, more and more water is getting drained from the rivers, reducing their volume. On the other hand, heavy loads of untreated sewage and industrial effluents are emptied into the rivers. This affects not only the quality of water but also the self-cleansing capacity of the rivers. For example, the Ganga river can dilute and assimilate heavy pollution loads within 20 kilometers from large cities. But the increasing industrialization and urbanization are not letting it happen, and the level of pollution of various action plans. Have you ever heard of such action plans? How does our health get affected by polluted river water? Think about life of human beings without fresh
soil, our precious resource, which is slowly being degraded day by day. Soil degradation refers to the decline in the quality of the soil. It can mean to the loss of soil fertility, loss of organic matter in the soil. Soil degradation causes due to both natural processes as well as human activities. Natural factors that causes soil degradation. Rainwash. Rainwater, especially in sloped areas, erodes or carries away the top layer of the soil. Landslide. A landslide is the collapsing of a mass of earth. It leads to significant soil loss. Floods. The excessive water during floods erode the top layer of the soil. Human activities that causes soil degradation. Deforestation. Vegetation acts as a natural barrier against surface runoff. Roots bind the soil and prevent it from washing away. The absence of vegetation causes the topsoil to erode quickly. Overgrazing. When cattle graze or eat too much grass, it reduces the plant cover that holds the soil together, causing faster erosion. Overuse of chemical in farming. The overuse of chemical fertilizers reduces the amount of organic matter in the soil, leading to the soil degradation.
ಕಾಡು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ನಾಡು ಉಳಿಸಿ, ಹಸಿರೇ ಉಸಿರು, ಪರಿಸರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೊಣೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.